Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting episode for you as we uncover the hidden secrets and lesser-known facts about Mexican tamales. Get ready to have your mind blown and your taste buds tantalized. Let's dive in. Hola, amigos. Today, we're going on a journey of discovery as we reveal some intriguing and lesser-known facts about Mexican tamales. These facts will not only surprise you but also deepen your appreciation for this beloved dish. So, let's get started. Let's begin with a brief history of tamales. This beloved dish has been enjoyed for centuries, tracing its roots back to the ancient Mayans and Aztecs. Tamales were not just a meal, they were an essential part of religious ceremonies, festivals, and everyday life. Tamales were not always wrapped in corn husks. In pre-Columbian times, tamales were often wrapped in leaves, such as banana leaves or avocado leaves. It wasn't until the introduction of corn by Native Americans that corn husks became the preferred wrapping method. The key ingredient that gives tamales their distinct taste, masa. Masa is a dough made from corn that has undergone a process called nixtamalization. This process involves soaking dried corn kernels in an alkaline solution, which enhances the flavor, aroma, and nutritional value of the corn. Tamales are not only popular in Mexico but also have variations in other Latin American countries. Each country has its own unique twist on the dish. For example, in Colombia, they have tamales wrapped in banana leaves called tamales toilamenses. Tamales come in a wide variety of flavors and fillings. Traditional savory options include succulent pork with red chili sauce, tender chicken with salsa verde, or even vegetarian fillings with beans and cheese. And for those with a sweet tooth, there are delightful tamales filled with chocolate, cinnamon, or fruits. It's fascinating to see how each tamale is lovingly crafted by hand. The rolling and folding technique has been passed down through generations, preserving the rich culinary heritage of Mexico. In Mexico, making tamales is often a social event that brings families and friends together. Tamales are incredibly versatile. While corn masa is the most common base, other grains like rice or potatoes can be used to create unique variations. In some regions of Mexico, you can even find sweet tamales made with fruits like pineapple or strawberries. Tamales are not just a main course, they can be enjoyed at any time of the day. In Mexico, it's common to have tamales for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even as a delicious snack. Tamales have a rich symbolism. In Mexican culture, tamales are often associated with celebrations and special occasions. They are frequently prepared during festivals, holidays, and family gatherings, representing unity, abundance, and gratitude. And there you have it, amigos. We've uncovered the secrets and traditions surrounding Mexican tamales. From their ancient origins to the art of tamale making, these delights have captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. So, go ahead and experience the authentic flavors of Mexican tamales for yourself. Until then, goodbye.